guys, it's Lin
and Chan,
and today, and we are DDXO. Today we are doing a different video that you guys are probably used to from us.
As you can see, it's a little bit of a different layout we got here.
A little spread.
We got a smorgasbord. Is that the appropriate time to use that word?
Yeah, I think so.
Smorgasbord
of
stuff. I don't know.
We'll define it below.
You have to Google that later. So we wanted to do, we wanted to try out a little mukbang video. I mean,
is it mukbang or mukbang? You guys let us know.
I'm sure they'll let us know in the comments below. We don't know, but we're doing this.
We're doing this. And today we chose Taco Bell.
Yeah.
There's just so many things on a Taco Bell menu that I didn't know.
Like, there was so many things, and I think we got like all of it.
Literally all of it. But before we start, we usually like to have a signature drink. I don't know if y'all usually see it while we're doing our other videos, reactions and all. But today we did a jalapeno margarita. And it's a little bit of sweet and spicy, all mixed in one.
Good. I don't know if you guys can see all the, especially over here, you have all the jalapenos.
Yeah, it's just lined up in the middle of the glass. So if you ever want to try it, it's coconut, 1800 tequila, a little bit of jalapenos, pineapple juice, margarita mix, salt rim, and a little bit of lime, and then voila, you have your jalapeno drink. So cheers, and we'll get started into our food. Boop. You gotta, when you cheers, you gotta look people in the eyeballs. Hi.
Oh, we gotta do it. Excuse me. I can't not laugh. Hold on.
Oh, it's so good. Oh, I remember it. Great every time.
Oh, that's a good drink.
Yeah, well, I learned that. I went to dinner with a couple of my friends. Oh, it's spicy. And we were cheersing, and apparently I didn't look anyone in the eye, and they're like, that was the rudest thing, and we don't trust you.
No.
Yeah.
You have to stare at each other's eyes?
Like, when you cheers, you're just supposed to look at people in the eye. I don't know. Maybe that's the thing.
Like,
maybe
just random people?
No, whoever you're cheersing. Not like random Joe walking down the road. Whoever you're cheersing. Because it means, like, cheers. You really, I don't know. It's an American thing, maybe.
Well, good
you're
to know.
American and you don't even know.
Who knows?
So let's dive into it.
Yes.
I'm obsessed with the sauces. And I just found out they have a sauce called Diablo. This must be new, or maybe it's old and I just never gone to Taco Bell in the past years. But Diablo sauce.
That's like the hottest one.
Hottest one.
We have all the sauces. All of
The
them.
whole package.
Yeah, so we're gonna be putting this on everything.
So tell us what's your favorite sauce. Yeah, mine is fire. I love fire. So
You're not gonna start with Diablo? You the one that wanted to get 30 Diablos.
Yeah, I'm gonna try Diablo today. And I'm gonna have to try it on my favorite quesadilla.
Yeah, start with the quesadilla.
Let's do this. Ooh.
Oh
Man. Okay, let's pack that.
That wasn't the cleanest hair.
So I don't know if you know as well, I never opened it like this and put sauce into it until I met you.
Really?
I usually just like had sauce, dipped it.
And on top?
Yeah, but since I met Chantel,
I didn't realize that was...
I saw her, because I'm a creep, and I was watching her eat her quesadilla in college, and she would always put it inside like this. I was like, shit.
That's probably better, right?
Excuse me. I need to do that. That's way more
Make
efficient.
sure you get it in there. Get all the flavors.
So let's
Or
do
it just
this.
slides off. I don't know.
Yeah,
if that's actually
maybe I'll
what
just do
happens.
one right now because I have 55 other things to eat.
Oh yeah, we have to pace ourselves.
Yeah. We can't be like, I'm done, I can't eat a pizza. Life.
And I'll go ahead and add, we are literally starving.
I haven't ate all day.
I haven't eaten all day. Wait, have I?
I ate 2 pieces of pizza, I lied.
No, I haven't eaten all day, I don't think.
Yo, it's college all over again. Where are my textbooks? I got class after.
I gotta go to class.
Woo, this is spicy. Diablo.
What'd you do? Fire, your favorite.
That's hot. I mean, hot. What a liar.
Which one is fire your favorite or hot? I forgot.
Fire is my favorite.
Fire? Okay.
Diablo's intense.
This is hitting the spot. Is it really that bad? I'm gonna have to try it. I'll put it on my next thing.
Ooh. It's like, I can't really drink this because it's hot as
We
hell.
didn't think this through. Yeah, the drink is spicy. The food is spicy.
Ooh, it's hot, cold, hot.
It's water.
Ooh, I was smart to bring my water.
Is it that hot?
Chantel, try it. Try it. Try to do.
Are you okay? Are you okay?
Okay, mind you, I did 2 packets.
Nobody told you to do 2 packets.
Oh God.
Hey, nobody told you to do 2 packets.
Ew. Okay, so that's that. Not gonna finish that. Too much Diablo sauce.
I do see it pouring out like crazy.
I think it's actually burning my plate.
I don't even need to eat this. There's nothing in this part.
What's your next one? What do you want to try?
I think I want to do a chalupa.
Oh, you just went into it, huh?
What else am I supposed to do?
This is actually one of my favorite Taco Bell meals.
Really?
It's like a soft little. Ooh. Okay.
Lost one.
Well, that one's going in my drink.
You would like it.
I probably would. Okay, so I definitely can't eat this whole thing right now because I have a whole day planned with this.
I never had a chalupa.
We're not gonna waste this food though. We will save it for tonight.
Yeah.
Okay.
What is in it? Is there meat in it?
It's beef, cheese. It's just what makes the chalupa is the breading. What is the chalupa?
Oh,
I don't know.
This little thing.
So I might just turn it down to too hot right now.
Diablo.
Oh man, not everywhere though.
Not everywhere?
I wouldn't recommend
Turn
it.
it everywhere. It's just a little bit.
Oh, that's a fake bite. Go ahead and do more, Shan.
You just told me not to even do it. Whose side are you on? She wants me to die.
Take me home.
Oh yeah, let's read the packets. I forgot they have
I
cute
love
little
little
things.
things.
Mine says tattoos or it didn't happen. We'll see about that. What are you talking about, package?
I don't know what we got into.
What are you saying?
Earlier.
I just licked the Diablo off my finger.
It is intense. Yes. Woo!
Oh,
Try to drink the damn drink. Okay, I actually love sauce. I'm glad we got 55 of them because I like to submerge
this
my
drink is so good.
Taco Bell in sauce. All right, cheers. Chalupa, your first chalupa.
My first chalupa.
Breaking your chalupa cherry.
And my first Diablo sauce.
Oh, you're gonna die.
What the happy dance?
When I tell you the bread thing, it's so good.
It is like a. What is that? How do they do that? Talk about how y'all do that. What is this? What is this?
How are you not getting food on your face?
I probably am. It's probably on my face. This is a messy situation.
Okay, I might eat all this one.
Okay, so I definitely can't eat this whole thing right now.
You just said you're not gonna eat all of it.
This is so good. It's my favorite. I'm probably gaining 20 pounds as we speak.
Oh yeah, right here, right now, you're watching us gain weight. So, 2020 is complicated. I'm supposed to be in the gym right now. Here I am.
Eating a Taco Bell feast.
On YouTube.
Making a video about eating.
I'm so glad I starved myself all day for this.
This is a good party.
It's a good party.
It's Taco Tuesday.
Is it Tuesday? Oh man. Are you sure? Oh
All the
no.
blur for you.
Dang. I was about to say this is perfect. This wasn't even planned.
It's not Tuesday.
It's not
guys.
Tuesday.
We put a lot.
We should have lied and just posted this on Tuesday. So Diablo sauce was fine with that. I think there was too much going on for it to be.
Hit you, and you did just do one slither, so you know.
I did a whole packet.
I did too. I know it's not
It's not a
competition. I know. We know each other, by the way. Didn't just meet.
What's next, Lynn? Your call. Are we supposed to be eating this so fast? Or are we just hungry?
I know we need to make an 8-minute video, but we're going through this like a champ. Okay, I'm thinking pizza. How about y'all?
Pizza?
Let's
Yeah, we want pizza.
pizza.
I literally did not know they had a pizza.
Mexican pizza.
Is this a real thing or did Taco Bell make this up?
Taco Bell made it up. Because I don't think
I don't think they do this
the
in
Mexican
Mexico.
pizza. Yeah. No. Okay. I know this cannot be healthy.
I
feel
mean,
like-
it's a lot of tomatoes and lettuce.
But like, is the beef real, you know?
Well, don't say. I thought you were gonna say is the beef good for us, but is it real? Is the beef?
I'm just kidding, Taco Bell, if you're watching. Okay.
Okay.
Here we go. So my cousin back in middle school, apparently that's a story to every Taco Bell dish for me. Vanessa, Shout out Vanessa.
Hey, Vanessa.
She's the one that put me on this. Like, she would always get it when we went
On
to
a Mexican pizza?
Yeah.
So you've had it before?
Yeah, of course.
Oh, of course.
Of course.
I literally did not know it existed.
But yeah, Vanessa always ate it, and my cousin, and I always wondered what it was like. And I finally tasted it. It's pretty good. But I'm excited for you to try
I don't
it.
even know what's like in it.
It's beef inside the middle. So it's like 2 tortillas that were fried. Beef and beans.
Why'd you say it?
Yours look more beanie than beefy.
I don't think I got any beef.
Like, this is the beef and beanie side.
Oh, I got the beanie side.
Okay, try this one.
Okay, take 2. Yeah, there's.
Yeah, that's a selection there. Okay. Just throw that back in here. We'll close it up and move on with our lives.
Act like this didn't happen.
Alrighty. So there's our pizza.
You throwing some sauce on it?
I am. I'm gonna do fire.
Diablo!
No, I'm done with Diablo. My stomach's hurting now. I can't even
Linda,
finish this video.
you made me get 30 million Diablo sauce. You have to eat them all.
I might have to put on like taco nights later.
Hot, 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 hot.
Like, my tummy is like burning. This is gonna be a detox. Like, nobody's.
Oh yeah, for sure. For the rest of the year, it's a detox.
Okay. So
Unless we end up doing more mukbangs, then I don't know what we're gonna do.
Oh my god. Can we just do like safe mukbangs, like salads?
Like a salad mukbang? Do people do that?
Oh, you just went in. Okay. I'm gonna eat it like Americans do.
What?
How is it?
Eat it like a quesadilla.
Is it crunchy still?
It's not crunchy at all. It's supposed to be.
Yeah.
Oh. We missed that shit. Not crunchy at all. And my whole bottom half of it just fell apart. My whole thing is gone.
It's no longer a pizza.
It's not a pizza. It's just a piece of
Cheese.
yeah. I sold that though.
True New Yorker.
I got a little bit of tomato in there.
So the beans are just overwhelming.
Yeah, it's overwhelming beans. I don't know if it's supposed to do that. I never had it before, so it's not supposed to do that.
I don't remember. But I don't remember this reaction I'm feeling. But I was also in middle school, so.
So far, not my fave.
So I'm not gonna force myself to eat it.
Nope.
I'm just, my plate looks disgusting.
I mean, look at my plate.
Man down.
Wait, what? Oh my god.
Ooh, another drink.
Yes, naturally. There's a lot of sound effects on yours.
Ooh, I'm thinking I'm doing ASMR.
My bad, I thought it was ASMR.
Okay, you're next. What do you want?
Oh, I want a. What else do we have? The nachos and
Crunch wrap, a tostado.
ooh, crunch wrap.
It might not be crunchy anymore. From the feels
If
of it.
it's any, oh really? If it's anything like the pizza, then it's probably long gone. Hey,
Well, what's great is it looks like a pizza.
Oh my god. You sounded like Oprah for a second. I don't know why.
How do you eat this?
Yeah, cut it in half.
There's tomatoes everywhere, so I really feel good about today.
Tomatoes everywhere. Oh my gosh. It's not even cutting.
Because it's crunchy.
Oh, good. Yay.
Okay, I really want to see my facial reaction when I said that.
Because it's crunchy. Mexico.
Yeah, so this one's mine.
Why?
Because that one's huge. Okay, I'm going to add more sauce.
I was going to say, how do I implement the sauce into this situation?
I'm cutting in half one more time. No, I'm just going to pour it.
I don't want to do that. You're just going to pour it on there?
More fire.
Fire. Diablo. I didn't taste it
I'm
with the
really
other one.
impressed with you.
You know, I've been craving spicy food for like a really long time.
Like 8 months.
No, it's been longer than 8 months. It's been like a solid year, maybe even a year and a half.
Twins.
Shut
kidding.
up.
I don't
Why
think
did
that's
you
how it
say
works.
that? Is that like real? That's 100% not how it works. I can guarantee you that. Oh yeah.
Do you taste the crunch?
Yeah. It's not as crunchy as it probably was meant to be, but I see what they did. I see what you did, Taco Bell.
I taste more tomatoes.
Ooh, that's spicier when it's like this. Oh no.
I know.
Oh no.
I know.
Ooh.
Yep. Yeah, Linda was pumped.
Nobody stopped me from doing that.
No, I encourage you to put more if you can.
You said, ooh, just a slither? Do more. Oh no. I put it all over already.
Oh man, is there meat in here?
Yes. It's just a very thin layer. You know what I want? So I wanted to talk about.
So much tomatoes. I'm sorry.
You don't like tomatoes? That helps cool it. Oh, you don't have the spicy. It helps cool it down though for me. So I wanted to talk about this whole Lori Harvey situation.
It's for the streets. I just
So
got that from the comments, but
yes, reading the comments sections are always everything. So I was like already in shock because like a while ago they were talking about she was with Diddy, which was, I'm sorry, just been everywhere, but that was insane because supposedly she was dating his son first.
correct.
Granted, I don't know these people. I don't know if this is true or not, but according to the internet, according to y'all out there in the world, she was dating Diddy after dating his son, and then they just posted she's dating Future. Like
Which is like the worst person in the
Like
world
what?
today. To me, because
He has
to
20
my-
baby mamas.
Yeah.
Like that's so like.
It's just like, because one, I've always loved Lori Harvey. She is gorgeous. I
She's
feel like she's so
gorgeous.
talented. I just needed to put
I feel like
herself
she can
out
pull
there.
she can get anybody.
She can get anyone. She's just gorgeous. And she's quiet. She's usually not on the internet. And then this happens.
Like why Future of all people?
Like, first it was Trey Songz, like a month ago. Then it was Diddy. And then now it's Future.
Was she ever with me, or was he just have a crazy crush on her?
No, he had a crush on her and then he retracted it, remember?
Oh, did he?
After she started dating everyone. Which was quite
He did
funny.
not retract it.
He did. He said no. He changed his song.
No, he did not. Shut up.
Yes! Y'all, play it back. What video
find
was it?
I'll insert a clip if I can find it.
It's like he was at a concert and he changed the words to not having Lori Harvey.
What? That's funny. I didn't know that. Yeah, that's like insane. If
But
she
I-
becomes pregnant, it's a wrap for her.
What a, I know. Like,
Cause I just thought she was better than that. I don't know why I thought that, but
no, I
like,
definitely think she was better than that. She's Steve Harvey's daughter. Daughter, excuse me.
I wonder what they think about it. Especially
Apparently-
because she used to be married or engaged to.
A very legit soccer
player,
player.
right? He was fine. I'll insert a clip of that.
I don't know. Yeah.
Look at that right now.
Yeah. And I felt like he was a stand-up guy.
Yeah.
He proposed. Like, he was trying to be serious.
I wonder what happened.
I'm thinking she was just young.
I guess so, 'cause she's young now, so for her, to have been-
23, right?
she has to have been super young. Well, good luck to them.
Them. Yeah, I think it's crazy. I am excited though about her birthday. Have you seen her birthday trailer?
Oh, a trailer?
They did a trailer on one of those sites, like the trailer she released of her birthday party.
Really?
And I guess a video will be coming out.
I mean,
of
I've
her.
seen a lot of pictures and it already looked bomb. But I didn't know they're doing a music video, a movie. Oh, I didn't know Winnie was there. Oh my god.
Normandy, Jordan, everyone was there besides us, for the usual.
Oh my god.
Isn't that beautiful?
Future is all in this video.
Just straight.
Wow. And it was Jamaica. I thought it was Mexico, which is why it made me think of eating this food made me think of it, but that's Jamaica, my bad.
Just wrong
Wow.
country. Completely wrong country.
She's
all
so
over
beautiful.
the net. She's gorgeous. And that picture of all four of the ladies.
Oh my god. I wanted to be there.
Ryan Destiny is gorgeous,
I
by the
love
way.
her. She's so pretty.
Yeah, she's gorgeous.
Wow.
She's amazing. This whole crew is just right up there.
Congrats to them on being beautiful.
Congrats, the
Wow.
Lydia's crew. Ooh, excuse me. Just got elbows keep creeping back up.
I don't know if y'all know this, but we're slowing down a little bit.
Just a little bit. I was on a roll, but Okay, well, have y'all heard about this outbreak?
Oh my god. Is it a real outbreak though?
It's called coronavirus, which makes me think of Corona beer, which would have been great with this.
I'm done. So unrelated. So unnecessary.
So apparently there's 77 new cases of coronavirus in China. I don't know much of it. It just keeps popping up on my phone.
Well, we need to see where the problem is. We need to see is where it's spreading to because
Correct.
you're about to go on this crazy trip. She's going to first Thailand, right? You make a pit stop there.
No, I go to Korea first.
Oh, Korea.
Korea first, and then I go to Laos, and then we'll make a quick stop in Thailand, which is the big city that we're thinking that the coronavirus might be in. And then we just might not be going to Thailand.
That might be just a canceled plan right there.
So far, Laos is good, which is the main city I'll be in. So, yeah, if you're wondering, I'm Laos.
Yeah, she's last. That's where she's going.
That's where I'm going there.
It's gonna be such a great trip.
Oh, and speaking of Laos and Jamaica.
Oh yeah. Hey, that worked out. It was not scripted.
Chantel's Jamaican
Uh-huh.
and Guyanese.
Jamaican and Guyanese, yeah.
And I'm Laos. And we are thinking about doing a mukbang or mukbang.
Still don't know how to pronounce it.
Don't know. You know, whatever. But we are going to be cooking our own country's food. And doing mukbang and maybe an ASMR if we can find our microphone.
Yes.
Of that.
That should be real interesting.
So stay tuned. I think it's going to be a lot more planning for that and not a Taco Bell run.
Yeah, that's not a quick Taco Bell run. That's a whole, like, learning how to cook.
Yes. Meeting up with our parents and asking tons of questions, going to the market.
I think it'll be fun, though.
Maybe doing a trial before we record it. Maybe not.
Yeah, maybe.
Maybe.
It depends. We'll see.
We'll see.
Yeah.
So look out for that. I think that would be a really cute mukbang to do.
All right.
Okay,
I'm
so
done
my
with
stomach's
food.
slowly burning.
No, we have 2 more. We have 3 more things.
Let's do a nacho. Let's get to normal. Let's get normal.
We're gonna slow things down and just
I'm
casually
gonna empty
eat
my plate a little bit.
nachos.
So we should have started this first. Now it's cold.
I don't know why I did that.
Full steam. Let's do it with some Diablo sauce.
Why? You're doing it all over the place. You are reckless. Out of control, ma'am.
Okay.
Go right ahead.
Let me get one with sour cream.
Ooh. I should have put extra Diablo sauce on your side.
What are you doing with the Diablo sauce?
What?
I see it. Actually, this is pretty good. Let's try fire instead of Diablo. Why are you opening? You cannot handle it.
Why do you see everything I'm doing?
Why is this one darker?
I don't know, maybe it's a chirp on your brain. Maybe they put it in the wrong packet.
This whole. We need to edit out. Oh my god. Chantel. So I'm getting
What?
sour cream, please. This looks delish.
It looks like all the sour cream was on that one bite. Okay. Soft.
Soggy nacho is my favorite.
Okay.
Like people when they eat this, they must eat it like in the car after they purchased it. Because there ain't no way their nachos just stayed all crunchy. Chef.
I didn't even realize they had. This is my first time getting nachos from Taco Bell.
What are you doing?
I'm trying to get this little onion bite. I'm trying to get something on this little
Well,
bite.
it's crazy because there's no onions in here. What's a tomato?
No, that green thing?
Yeah, green tomato.
Then why are all the other tomatoes red?
They got all soggy. They lost their color.
I don't believe you.
Believe me.
I'm gonna investigate that.
Put it in your mouth and try it. My stomach is literally on fire.
Linda, that's not a tomato. Oh, that's the inside of a tomato. Not a green tomato. You were wrong. I'll just go ahead and do that. Do that. We still have this whole thing.
I'm dying. I think in the beginning, mukbangs were so enjoyable. But then in the end, it's just like, you get
You just struggled through it at the end.
You kind of do. But you're really enjoying it.
Yeah, I'm still having a good time. I'm just gonna take this right here so I have to keep doing that. Taking all the good stuff. You get all the Diablo.
I know, I just want the sour cream over here.
No, that didn't work as much as I thought it would. I'm gonna just keep. How do I get the pieces I want?
Oh, it's work. Sprouted.
Oh, that's crunchy.
See?
You took all of it.
Sorry. Yep, and you got that. And then you just add it with a crunchy piece. And you dip it in a little bit of sauce.
Where's my? Oh no.
That's the best bite. I'm done. I'm done.
You can't be. You got this.
I think I got more unattractive at the end of the video. This is a lot.
No, we definitely have to eat our.
Oh yeah, I'm actually excited about that one. Y'all know what's a really good Netflix show right now?
What?
I'm glad you put all the Diablo sauce on this delicious cheese. Dracula. Have you seen it?
That sounds ridiculous.
No.
Why are you watching Dracula on
No, I
Netflix?
finished Dracula. It's the better part.
That sounds ridiculous. What is Dracula on Netflix?
What is Dracula?
A vampire?
Yes.
Is it like Twilight?
No.
I don't understand what you're doing right now.
Did you like Twilight?
I love Twilight.
Okay. So is vampires just the most outrageous thing to watch?
But Twilight was like 30 years ago.
No. Yeah, it does feel that way.
So
He's moved on to better movies
who's
now.
making vampire shows anymore?
This man, and he's just doing an amazing job. Y'all go watch Dracula. I encourage it.
Don't watch Dracula.
Shouldn't go watch Dracula.
No,
Or I'm no longer be your friend.
No, you know what show you need to be watching on Netflix? You.
I finished that like 5 years ago.
5 years ago,
I've already
season 2 just came out.
I'm on season 3.
Have y'all been watching that? No, what I love is the memes that have been coming out.
People are so wild, and you know what? He is so
obsessed.
attractive.
He's so attractive, and why do they do that? Why do they make it such a complicated thing in my mind? Like, we're supposed to hate him. He's a
I
whole
love
murderer.
that.
He's psycho, but it's like, ooh,
But
Joe.
I'm on his side.
The memes that are like, Joe, please lock me up. Are you okay?
I will fix it. I will fix you. I love it. I'm into it. I'm into him. I love it. I love it. Please don't date me. But I'm into
Please
it.
stay away from me.
Please stay away. Don't make me fall in love.
Please don't move in next to me.
Exactly. Don't. The binoculars in my windows.
None of it.
Watch
But-
us now while we're filming this. Like, please, God.
Right
no.
outside our window.
I know.
That is wild. It's such a good show, though. I'm ready for the season 3.
Me too, but it's gonna come out 2021. It's only January 2020.
Is that real?
Yeah, that's what they said.
How am I supposed to wait a whole 3 years?
I guess the same way I waited for the Avengers.
Avengers did take a really long time.
It's like every year I had to wait for another one. But life did pass me by. Where are you going?
Linda, what is that?
The steak. Oh my God. I cannot
Steak?
eat steak.
Oh my god.
I cannot
my
even
God.
wrap my mind around steak right now.
What?
And tomatoes. We should have stopped at round 1.
On the bright side, there's lots of tomatoes and lettuce everywhere, so that's gotta count for something. What is this sauce?
That's the same sauce I put on
Everything.
quesadillas. How is it?
That was actually good. We just gotta eat all of it.
No, I can't.
Especially not like that. I'm gonna make it a taco.
I can't eat this.
I gotta make it a
Yeah,
taco.
I'm gonna squeeze it in,
and take a bite.
I'm
just so I
good.
can get all the components.
and I'll let y'all know how it goes.
How else do people eat it? They just cut it. Like, how else do people eat it? You gotta eat it
I
like
can't.
this.
I'm gonna throw up.
Dramatics. Watch this.
Oh, there's like a baby pool of sauce inside. I'm sorry. Did you see this? There's a baby pool
I
of
do
sauce.
see it pouring out of my
It just busted out. I'm just gonna cut this like a Tostito.
I think that's all I can do for now.
This is all I can do forever. I can't go to Taco Bell again.
Ugh. Ever again.
Ever.
Never again.
I can't roll over.
I just got to eat this one more bite though.
Try to do a chicken quesadilla.
Can we just go back to the beginning where we had the chicken quesadilla? I just want that again. Because this is out of control. Things have gotten out of control. Where's the steak? There's no steak in my bite.
Oh, I got 55 of them in mine.
Ugh.
Okay, I'm done. I don't want to see Taco Bell. I'm sorry, we have to throw this away. Just
Tacos?
everything. Gotta throw it away. I can't look at it. I gotta burn the evidence of Taco Bell at my house. Supposed to be on a diet.
Okay, we're done. Oh, except for our dessert.
Okay.
That's healthy though.
This is so light and airy.
It's air.
And my favorite guy, I would go to Taco Bell and just order this in a Baja Blast. And that'd be good.
That's not food.
A lot. That was unattractive. It's like air.
It is sugar air.
Y'all might see this lingering in other videos. I've been eating this.
Woo. Well, hold on. I didn't only. Ooh, I got a good one.
Speaking of our faves,
Rihanna.
I know. I'm a little
Wow.
sad.
Rihanna just broke up, allegedly, with her billionaire boyfriend, Hassan.
Is that his name?
Yeah.
I was
he
rooting
was
for
fun.
them.
Me too. They were the most beautiful couple I think I've ever seen, and
I really went to see the babies.
man, they would have made some beautiful babies.
I wanted that.
And then what's sad about it though, I don't know if you remember the interview she did.
Oh yeah!
She was talking about marrying him. She was like, she's in love, and the interviewer was like, oh, you thinking about marrying? She was like, of course. And now they're a wrap.
Now she has to start all over.
she's been seen backstage with A$AP Rocky. Flirting. I don't know. No, but they were saying she was backstage with him somewhere at one of his shows or something. I don't know.
Were they flirting?
Uh-huh.
How do you know?
The internet. But that's what they always say. They always, like, there's always been rumors of it.
She dated A$AP maybe years ago.
Right. So maybe they're reunited and
No, I don't want that.
feel so good.
I don't
Yeah.
want that.
Oh no, for sure. I much would prefer.
sound.
Yeah. I'm really sad that if that's true, that they broke up.
I just hope it's not true.
I hope it's not true because she was so in love with him. So
And
like,
I
what
was so
happened?
in love with them.
I was so in love with them, even though they never posted any. Even though technically we don't know if they were together.
Maybe that's why I love them so much.
There was no pictures or nothing.
No. Oh, this is so good, Chantel. Here you go. Before I eat it.
I probably ate half of it.
Because I was going at lightning speed.
After talking about how full you were.
Yeah, so we'll see what happens in a couple of months. Maybe we'll do another Hot Topic mukbang.
We'll see. If we can recuperate from this,
I think I'm actually gonna die right here.
this might be the last DDXO video,
Guys,
that you will ever see.
thank you so much for watching. I'm ending this. I don't know if you know. I don't know if you're prepared for us to end this, but I'm ending this right now. Thank you for watching.
Thanks for watching our video, guys. Like, comment, subscribe.
Maybe if y'all give us some food ideas that
Give us healthy food. if you really love us,
a poke bowl.
please give us healthy food ideas.
I knew we should have did sushi today.
But
yeah.
I mean, that's a lot of rice too. That might have been hard too. Anyway, thanks y'all. See you in the next video if we survive. Bye.
Done.